Anderson, NDSU Extension Agent. This is a measuring lab of dry and wet ingredients to show you the difference. So this is a dry ingredient measuring cup. You scoop the ingredients into the cup and then you level it off. That's the proper way to do it. And we'll show you how the difference between compaction, what that does as opposed to filling it the correct way. And then, is it the same? Are these measuring cups the same? No, they're not. This is a liquid ingredient measuring cup. So we're going to, first of all, test and see what is in the cups, or what the cups actually hold. So with a liquid, just go ahead and pour some water in it. And we're going to actually pour to 1 cup. Okay. And I eyeballed that from the top, and sometimes you need to do that from the side. I notice I have just a little bit too much in there. Okay. Okay, so that is 1 cup. So is this 1 cup the same in both of these? So we're actually just going to pour the liquid ingredient into the dry ingredient to see if they measure the same. And you can see that no, they do not. So again, liquid measuring cups, dry ingredient measuring cups are not the same. Use the proper equipment for what you are trying to measure. Okay, so we got that cleaned up. Now we're going to look at the dry ingredient measuring cup. Let's get that nice and dry. Okay, and compaction. And let me grab one other measuring cup. Okay, so I have 2 measuring cups here, and so we're going to do a compaction one where I'm just going to scoop it in, and without scooping it in, just straight into the container and seeing if we actually get the same amount. So if I do a compaction, and I see a lot of people that do this, and then they'll just kind of shake it off. But let's see if we actually end up with the same ingredient as much. Okay, and you can see that we've got quite a bit more in there. So you can see that we ended up with more flour when we just scoop and dump. So try to be exact with your measuring ingredients. Okay, and so the proper way to do this is to scoop gently, and you can even use a sifter. You can do sifted flour. Some recipes will call for sifting to make it even lighter. Okay, so we're just going to try to level it off a little bit with our spoon, and we're going to come back with a flat surface. This is just a little scraper, and then you can dump. So by all means, measuring is not all the same. This is Donna Anderson, NDSU Extension Agent for Foster and Eddy counties.